Ayan, di ba? Thank you so much for the love and indulgence. Amo yung DJ kinanta ni Sir Roland, malagip ko pa lang. Isuti team song iti may isang award-winning movie ni Vilma Santos DJ Apo, and it is called The Dulzura Cortez Story Dahil Mahal Kita. It is a story about an AIDS patient, AIDS victim. Apo, DJ, so nga makarelate nakapimpintas nga pelikula, and it came from the composition iti Boyfriends nga talaga mat katimatak iti Pinoy music way back 60s, 70s, and even 80s. Ulit na kami mat millennials Apo, our XYZ generation can really relate kaya ito yung kanta ti Boyfriends because it touches lives. At digiti lyrics na nga makapasairi na, di ba? Ang ganda-ganda. Tapos yung boses nila, it's like, Bee Gees. So that the local Bee Gees way back. So, thank you so much for bringing forth good music from Boyfriends. Thank you so much, Sir Roland, for reminding me that I am also a 70s and 80s baby. Ayan, palapakan tayo man, Jaber. How much I love you. Ang ganda-ganda talaga ng ating mga background na pinapalabas mo. So, at this point in time, guys, ikanta yung Mamuti Chance nga agkanta. Dati nakapinpinta, she is a rising commercial model, endorser, and presenter of the NGT Wellness Center. When it comes to modeling, she is really very good because she can strike a pose. She can make a move. But let's just see, guys, kung meron ba siyang sinasabi when it comes to singing. From the island of the beautiful ladies, Pacifico Marcos. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you ang baklang po, Princess Arfel Joy Bueno.
Ayan, guys. Nanayon nga ay ayaten ka, ipatpateken putno dungdungwen ka, huray pa ino himat dayo ka, himanaw ka adinang pakata, magudas may sakato'y pusa. Ngay ayaten ka, ipatpateken putno dungdungwen ka, uray payo himadayo ka, himanaw ka adi nagpakata, magudas man na ito'y biyag ko, ang may sa kato'y puso. Thank you, guys.
Thanks for watching. Please share.